All right, 1998 exam, AB, problem number 2. Um, the graph of a piecewise linear function, f, for negative 1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4, is shown above. What is the value of the integral from negative 1 to 4 of f of x dx? The answer, make sure you pause the video, do the problem on your own. The answer to this problem in 3, 2, 1 was B. It was 2.5. Okay, so how do you get that? Well, the first thing is when you see these definite integral problems, you need to think area under the curve. So you need to calculate the area under the curve. And then you also have to remember that if the function is above the x-axis, the area is going to be a positive area. This area is going to be positive. And if the function's beneath the x-axis, the area will be a negative area. So this area would be negative. Alright, great. So let's just do it. You could do this by making it into a trapezoid. You could do it by doing triangles. I'm just going to do triangles because that's what I did as a student. So here we'll draw some triangles. The area of a triangle would be base times height, because that's the area of a rectangle. You know, this rectangle right here would be base times height, but it's just this triangle, so we're going to divide it by 2. Base times height divided by 2. So that's 1 times 2. That's 2 divided by 2. This has an area of 1. Alright, then let's calculate the area of this rectangle. That's a width of 1, height of 2. This has an area of 2. Then let's do this triangle. 1 times 2, that's 2 divided by 2. Okay, that's 1. So the area of this top thing is 4. The area of the whole top thing is 4. Alright, now let's do the bottom one. Well, this is triangle right here is 1 times 1. That would be negative 0.5. And this, it would be negative 1. Because 1 times 1. So the area of this thing right here is negative 1.5. So to get the area of the whole thing, it would be 4 minus 1.5, which is in fact 2.5. So your answer is B, which is 2.5. Notice if you forgot that the area was positive beneath the x-axis, you would have gotten 4 and 1.5. Oh, that's D, that's 5.5. And I mean, they throw these things in there to trick you. Or they could have done, what's the integral from negative 1 to 4 of the absolute value of f of x? Well, then it would have been a positive and a positive area. It would have been 5.5. I'm just mentioning all these things because I know the tricks that they try to throw at you when you're trying to study for the AP Calc exam, so I might as well just tell you all the tricks so you don't get tripped up when they do it. Anyways, for this one, the answer is B, 2.5. Thanks.